Myself Sangamitra Gautam from Southeastern Railway welcomes to you our BST news channel. At first, some headlines. International Day of Peace celebrated by the Bharat Scouts and Guides across the country on 24 September. Disaster Management Personality Development and Adventure Camp was organized by Pasture and Drug Division of Chhattisgarh. Swachhta Pakhwara organized by Southern Railway, NE Railway, NF Railway, Eastern Railway, ECR Railway and Southeastern Railway State PSG. State level strategic planning workshop on Vision 2024 was organized by Haryana State Bharat Scouts and Guides. Swachh Bharat activities were undertaken by the members of Nagaland State PSG. Books for All initiative by West Bengal State Bharat Scouts and Guides. Blood donation camp was organized by the members of Haryana and East Central Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides. State Membership Growth Coordinator Trainers was held at PSG NHQ Delhi. To commemorate the International Day of Peace, national level webinar on World Scouts program was organized by the national headquarters from 19th to 24th September. Now it's a time for brief news. At first, some national news. International Day of Peace organized by Singarini Collieries District Association. The day was celebrated at State Headquarters, Domalgunda, Hyderabad, Telangana on 21st September. All-Faith prayer meeting was conducted with priests of all religion and they also shared their thoughts. Swachhta Pakhwara campaign was organized at Sattur Railway Station of Southern Railway on 20th September. The participating members of PSG cleaned the station premises in presence of GL Ganesh, Manikandan, Muttulakshmi, Mikhalaraj and Rajkumar. Peace gathering and pledge for peace in connection with International Peace Day on 21st September was also organized by Kalam Scouts and Kalpana Chawla Guides at Visakhapatnam. The International Day of Peace was celebrated in Kalaikonda ZPH School, BSG Unit, Krishnagiri Mandal, Andhra Pradesh on 21st September. On this occasion, tree plantation, COVID awareness and peace rally was organized. Shri G. Ashok Kumar Garu, Sub-Inspector of Police, Krishnagiri Mandal was the chief guest of the program. The Scouts and Guides of Local Association Bhatkal of Karnataka State PSG celebrated International Day of Peace and World Beach Cleaning Day on 21st September. Shri Venkatesh Timmappa Gubbi Backyard Secretary, Local Association Bhatkal participated in the celebration. The International Day of Peace celebrated at Rail Saudha on 21st September. The General Manager, Southwestern Railway planted sapling and flagged off bike rally from Castle Rock to Mundgod Tibet Camp. The Bharat Scouts and Guides Divisional Association Bastar and Drug organized Disaster Management, Personality Development and Adventure Camp from 12th to 16th September in which 360 participants from 13 districts of the division participated. On the occasion of World Zone Day, tree plantation was done by the Scouts and Guides of Government High School, Shayahimudi District, Korba under the leadership of Dr. Farhan Ali, District Commissioner Guide. Facilitation ceremony for the BSG volunteers and officials who have done excellent work in literacy during the World Literacy Day was organized on 17 September at Shankar Charya Bhavan, Sitli Road, Mahasamud. The Scout Guides Sovas and Rangers of Local Association Titla District, Raipur organized cleanliness campaign at Government Community Center, Kharora on 19 September and inspired the people for COVID-19 vaccination. 56 scouts and guides, rovers and rangers rendered their services. International Day of Peace celebrated on 21st September by the Cubs, Bulbul, Scouts, Guides, Rovers and Rangers from different schools of Korba district. They gave the message of peace to the local citizens through paintings, slogans, rangoli and cycle and bike rally. Bharat Scouts and Guide District Association Damoh, Madhya Pradesh has organized virtual beginners course in which 40 untrained teachers participated. On the occasion of International Day of Peace, Government Higher Secondary School, Kurabar, Bharat Scouts and Guide District Rajgarh has organized various programs such as tree plantation, essay writing competition, poster making and drawing competitions. Bharat Scouts and Guide District Association Jabalpur celebrated International Day of Peace from 19th to 21st September by organizing different activities, peace rally, drawing and painting competition, etc. On the occasion of Swachhata Pakhwara on 16 September, the Rovers, Rangers and unit leaders of Southeast Central Railway, Bharat Scouts and Guides, Bilaspur district organized rally for awareness. In view of International Day of Peace, a workshop on MOP was organized at Bharat Scouts and Guides, State Headquarters, Dadra Nagar Haveli. 55 Scouts, Guides, Rovers and Rangers attended the workshop. 8 Scout, Guide, Rovers, Rangers were awarded as DNH Hero Award in this workshop. Jammu and Kashmir State Bharat Scouts and Guide conducted informative Pravesh training program in zone Singhpora, Patan district, Baramulla on 16 September, in which 45 scouts and guides took part. The program was conducted by Matri Salima Parveen. Jammu and Kashmir State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized cleanliness and plantation drive on the week-long celebration of International Peace Day on 18 September. The main objective of this program was to spread awareness among the scouts, guides and the local people about the significance of cleanliness and its benefit. Jammu and Kashmir State Bharat Scouts and Guides celebrated International Day of Peace on 21st September. In various districts of the state, plantation and cleanliness drive was organized in various places of Jammu and Kashmir on this occasion. The Scouters Guiders Seminar on Advancement of Online Youth Management System OYSM was conducted by Varanasi district of North Eastern Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides from 16 to 18 September. Divisional Railway Manager of Varanasi blessed the participants. Ijazat Nagar District Association of North Eastern Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides inaugurated Swachhata Pakhwara on 16 September to celebrate Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Haryana State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized state-level strategic planning workshop on Vision 2024 under the leadership of the Assistant Director BSG Northern Region from 20th to 23rd September. At State Training Center, Ambala, 72 officials from state headquarters and various districts of the state participated in the workshop. Rovers and Rangers of Bhishma and Jhansi Open Group organized blood donation camp in Kaithal district on the occasion of International Day of Peace on 21st September. Run for Peace program was organized by Northern Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides under the direction of Shri Vikas Srivastava, State Secretary on 21st September on the occasion of International Peace Day. Delhi State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized basic course for guide captain virtually from 11th to 17 September 2021. The course was attended by 15 participants from various districts of Delhi. The course was led by Mrs. Aditi Mishra, LT Guide, with the support of experienced trainers. The International Day of Peace was celebrated by all the states of the ANI region on 21st of September. Different type of activities like peace rallies, plantations of sapling, Swachh Bharat activities and many more were undertaken by the members. The members of the states also took pledge to protect the environment and to work on the 17th Sustainable Goal. On the occasion of Swachhta Pakhwara on 16 September, the members of NF Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides presented Nukkad Natak on COVID-19 awareness at New Bongaigaon Railway Station. Swachhta Bharat activities were undertaken at the adopted area of Kohima War Cemetery on 18 September by the members of Nagaland State Bharat Scouts and Guides. Cleanliness drive at public ground VOCA in collaboration with all Nagaland Hindi teachers Union VOCA unit and Modern Cowboy Forest Colony VOCA was conducted on 16 September by members of BSG Nagaland states. International Day of Peace is an annual event celebrated across the world to embark peace and solidarity of mankind. On 21st September, members of the Bharat Scouts and Guides observe World Peace Day by organizing various activities like tree plantation, MOP dance, blood donation, poster making, etc. एक कदम स्वच्छता की ओर Swachh Bharat Abhiyan was organized by the members of East Central Railway and Southeastern Railway covering a period of 1 week from 16 to 21st September. More than 500 members were engaged as a result to create awareness through route march on the theme of Clean India. Books for All, an initiative towards erasing the first barrier of education, was organized by the members of Hooghly district of West Bengal State Bharat Scouts and Guides on 20th September, where they provided books to the underprivileged children of the locality. 64th Group Day celebration was organized by South Group of Kachrapara district of Eastern Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides on 21st September. The program was inaugurated by Mr. Surendra Kumar, CWM Kachrapara workshop and district president. The cultural evening was graced by Mr. Rajkumar Kaushik, director of the Bharat Scouts and Guides, and Mr. Krishnaswamy Ramamurthy, executive director of the Bharat Scouts and Guides. On 22nd September, members of Danapur district of East Central Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides, in collaboration with Indian Red Cross Society, organized blood donation camp in this hour of COVID crisis. One-day disaster management workshop was organized jointly by Araria district of Bihar State BSG and District Disaster Management Araria at Zinth Public School, Mirganj on 20th September. In the program, the Scout Guides and the senior students of the school were given detailed information about disaster management by the team of 9B NDRF. Patna District Disaster Management Coordinator Sombash Kumar Singh gave his views about disaster management. This program was organized under the leadership of District Organization Commissioner Scout Shri Bajnath Prasad, Araria District. At the end of the program, Khurshid Khan, Director of Jind Public School, honored the entire team of disaster management by giving them corset and mementos. The state membership growth coordinators training was held at National Headquarters, New Delhi, from 19th to 21st September, in which participants from 15 states attended the event. In this event, 7 growth ingredients, national membership growth plan, recruitment, and retention plan were discussed. Coordinators prepared state growth plans for their states. The event was conducted by Shri Arup Sarkar, Membership Growth Manager, and Director, Boy Program, BSG, NHQ. To commemorate the International Day of Peace, national level webinar on World Scout Program was organized by the national headquarters from 19th to 21st September. Number of speakers from World Scout Bureau shared their views on different topics. Mr. S. Prasasana Srivastava, District Organizational Development and Messenger of Peace, World Scout Bureau and Asia Pacific Support Center shared his views on the theme of IDP and encouraged the youth of the country to take up Messenger of Peace initiatives. The grand celebration of International Day of Peace was held on 21st September at 4 p.m. in which Mr. Ahmad Al-Hadwani, Secretary General WOSM, greeted the members of BSG and motivated the youth of the country with his video recorded speech. Shri P.G.R. Sindhya, Secretary General, President in Council Shri K.P. Mishra, Vice President BSG, Shri J.C. Mohanty, International Commissioner Scout, Shri Madhusudan Avala, International Commissioner Scout, Mrs. Amelia Swear, International Commissioner Guide of the Bharat Scouts and Guides, blessed the youth and appreciated the initiative of National Headquarters on peace activities. Shri Rajkumar Kaushik, Director BSG, in his closing remarks expressed his gratitude on World Scout Bureau for supporting BSG in organizing World Scout Program webinar for the benefit of Scout and Guides. Total 2,885 candidates registered for the webinar. The webinar was on Zoom and was live streamed on BSG YouTube channel. The webinar was organized under the leadership of Shri Amar B. Chhetri, Joint Director of Scouts Program and Training, National Scouts and Guides, with the support of Mr. Alanendra Sharma, Assistant Director BSG NE Region, and Mr. Bablu Goswami, Assistant Director Eastern Region of BSG. The plastic awareness campaign conducted by the Rovers and Rangers of Dr. Nalikuppa Swami Vivekanand Vidya Ambattur district on 21st September. The program was conducted under the guidance of Raim Fernandez. Group leader is very successful manner with a skit insisting the usage of alternative things rather than the plastics. On 20 September, Orissa State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized extempore speech competition on the occasion of International Day of Peace. The competition was inaugurated by Honorable Vice President of BSG and State Chief Commissioner Shri Kali Prasad Mishra in the gorgeous presence of Srimati Darshana Pavaskar, Joint Director of Guide Program and Training. Srimati Anamika Das conducted the competition. State level service camp organized by State Bihar from 20 to 22 September under the leadership of Bipin Kumar Singh, District Organizing Commissioner Scout. Rovers and Rangers cleaned the campus of the headquarters. The service camp inaugurated by the Uday Shankar Prasad Singh, President Bihar State Bharat Scouts and Guides. Rovers and Rangers of Dr. Nali Kuppuswamy Vivekanand Vidyalaya Junior College conducted an awareness campaign about COVID-19 and vaccination on 17 September. Principal Srimati Usha Rani explained about the effects and causes of coronavirus, COVID protocols and the importance of vaccination, and also instructed the students to motivate their parents and neighbors to take vaccines. Now it's a time for COVID news. On 16 September, the Bharat Scouts and Guides NF Railway Badapur District Association organized its 7th vaccination drive at District Scout Hut, Badapur, in which 200 people were vaccinated during the drive. 20 members of the district worked as a service team. Scouts of Subarnapur district of Orissa state, Bharat Scouts and Guides render service at COVID vaccination center on 17 September 2021. COVID vaccination service rendered by the members of Southeastern Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides on 18 September at Bhojodi Health Center. Now it's time for forthcoming events. 27th Asia Pacific Regional Scout Conference, Taiwan. For details, refer to NHQ Circular Number 67 dated on 29/5/2021. Celebration of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav with Fit India Freedom Run 2.0. For further details, to NHQ Circular Number 106 dated on 25/8/2021. 64th World Jamboree on the Air, Jota. 25th World Jamboree on the Internet, Jyoti, 15 to 17th October. For more details, refer to NHQ Circular Number 109 dated 29th August. 25th World Scout Jamboree, Samangyam, Korea, 2023. For more details, refer to NHQ Circular Number 111 dated 2nd September. World Sangam Day celebration 16th October. For more details, refer to NHQ Circular Number 112 dated on 6th September. Master Trainer training for BSD Digital Smart Generation. For more details, refer to NHQ Circular Number 113 dated on 6th September. National Level Service Camp for Drovers at National Adventure Institute, Kurseong, Darjeeling. For more details, refer to NHQ Circular Number 116 dated on 13 September. Course for Leader Trainers, Guide Wing. For more details, refer to NHQ Circular Number 118 dated on 16 September. Himalayan Wood Badge, Course for Flock Leader. For more details, refer to Circular Number 119 dated on 16 September. Himalayan Wood Badge, Course for Guide Captains. For more details, refer to NHQ Circular Number 120 dated 16 September. Himalayan Wood Badge, Course for Ranger Leader. For more details, refer to NHQ Circular Number 121 dated 16 September. Celebration of International Day of Girl Child 2021 competitions. For more details, refer to Circular Number 123 dated 17th September. Thank you.